Figure out which crowdfunding platform you would like to use. We have not found one that works better than the other. It is more about preference and which platform suits you. I am sure there are YouTube videos out there telling you to lean more on Kickstarter or Indiegogo or other platforms that are similar, but we have seen it does not really change the outcome of who donates. You need to make sure your budget is low and feasible. As a beginning indie filmmaker such as myself, you want to receive donations, not an investment. Investments are tricky if you cannot pay somebody back. Each project builds your credibility. So as each project gets better and better, your credibility grows. Therefore, you will be noticed by bigger and bigger funders. You need to find ways to save your own money. You invest in your own passion project, and then you can add additional donations on top of it. You ask me, how can I save my money? Stop eating out too much. Slow down on the coffee and treats. Cancel streaming platforms you do not need or apps. Stop making big purchases on non-essential items that you barely use. With all of these additional funds, you begin to set aside money for your dream film. At this point, we do not recommend taking out a loan for your film. Not unless you have some business plan in place and you have more of a guarantee you will have a return on your investment to pay it off. There are some cases where taking out a loan works, but we recommend trying to invest with real tangible money first so it does not backfire. Do not rely on Facebook, Instagram, social media, and friends and family across those platforms. You will soon realize that either they do not care, do not have, or because it is social media, they do not see your posts. While normally when it comes to friends and family and those close to us, the ones who know you and trust you and your talents, those are the ones who will donate if they can financially. The truth is, if you know someone who authentically believes in you and they have money, they could be the ones who will fund you and you will not need to crowdfund at all. Something not many people talk about is you need an authentic community that believes in you and your work. If you're building it on social media, they have to be a community of people who truly enjoy filmmaking and all aspects of it. These people, because they are engaged and believe so much in what you have to say or share, will most likely help you fund your next project. You always want to focus on the right platforms for your type of work. Video form is our primary source of work. So all social media platforms that focus on video are the platforms we choose to interact with the most. Also, you need to be on platforms with more funder type of people who you know can truly invest in you because they have the financing. So choosing the right platforms where you engage the most is very important. Focus on pre-planning the launch of your campaign with a team that will help you push your campaign. Up to 5 to 10 people if possible, and have everyone on your team email the campaign throughout their emails and share on all of their social media platforms for maybe up to a week or up to a month. Try to build a team that is very connected to the topic of your film or the film industry. If you can, find an influencer who can help you as well. The help from another platform, as long as it fits along with your film topic or the industry, will be a major value to your crowdfunding campaign. Be transparent when describing what your needs are in the description of the campaign. The more honest you are, the more authentic you are for those considering to donate to you. Patience. Honestly, we never have a clue if our crowdfunding campaign will take off. So patience is key. We have been pursuing movie making for a little over 2 years now, and we have only had one campaign take off where we got fully funded. So we are still working out all of the kinks when it comes to building a strong campaign that donors love and understand. The tips I am giving you are from a filmmaker's perspective for crowdfunding. If you are looking for more details on how to function the crowdfunding sites, look up those types of videos on YouTube or other search platforms. Good luck! Share with us what is working for you and your campaign and what is not. We want to hear about your experiences too. We may even upload a more updated video as we learn more throughout our current campaigns. Chat soon. Ciao.